Hey guys, Fishy here, and again, fakers love patterns, and a lot of times that's how we can identify them. One of the ways that they use patterns is in the way they post. Now, this is a normal post from NewYorkPost.com. This is what a normal share would look like. It's just got the headline here and the site name here, NewYorkPost.com. It's comparable to this one, politicsnextgen.site, headline, and then the name of the site. You couldn't tell from looking at those two that one of them was fake and one of them was a legitimate news outlet. So I will tell you that politicsnextgen.site is absolutely fake. And when we look at this other one, though, this is another pattern that we run into but from a particular set of fakers, and it's this. Having one of the Facebook choices of doing a status, you get these background choices. This status on top of a picture from an article from a fake site. Headline here, usually repeated up here, and then this. It's a double post kind of thing. I think they have to post the status and then save it, share it, and then come back in and edit by adding the link, and it comes out like this. And it only happens in groups, so it only is able to do that this way, but it's very eye-catching. And so when I saw this one from RJ Romeo, Rothschild says Donald Trump is threatening to destroy the New World Order, that's lovely and baity, and it comes from a place called phoenixpost.site, which is screaming that it's fake. And I know that because when I look at it here, this is a familiar template that we've seen here and here and here. All of these trying to look like they are from a particular region. So we're going to look at RJ Romeo pretty closely. These are the posts, just pictures here. And then there's some Urdu from that guy. Let's see. Again, I think I got a different friend here. And then here's Obi and Fazi and other comments by that guy again and Asan and let's see, Ajmal. Okay, so we've got a very particular group of people commenting on these photos. When we look at the photos commented on by RJ Romeo, this is what we get. Are we surprised at this point? I don't think we are. And we'll scroll down till we get to this guy. And when we look at this photo, guess what we find? There's a comment in here from our friend RJ Romeo. And right underneath it says, "Thank you, Fazi." And so Fazi turns out to be RJ Romeo. I mean, are you bored yet? Are you tired of finding these? This is we're closing in on 40 videos this month that I've found these tags in. It's insane. So please share these videos. Share Unfakery as a page. Go like us on Twitter and the Something Fishy TX account on YouTube. Help us get the word out about this problem so that Facebook can get better at spotting these guys.